Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the van, park level, set the parking brake, and turn the key off. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection so you can work safely. Remove the plastic engine cover over the passenger side battery. Use trim tools or a 10mm wrench to undo clips. Make sure you have the new Honda-compatible battery and tools at hand. This prevents delays. While exposed, note cable routing and any fuse or sensor leads so you can reconnect them correctly later. You'll disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent sparks. Loosen the 10mm nut and wiggle the clamp off. Next, remove the positive terminal. Keep terminals clear of the metal body. Once both cables are free, unbolt the hold-down clamp and lift the battery straight up. Batteries are heavy, so use both hands. If there's a vent tube or sensor, carefully detach it. Now inspect the tray and cable ends. Clean any corrosion with a baking soda/water paste and a wire brush so you place the new battery into the tray in the same orientation as the old one, then reinstall the hold-down clamp so it won't move while driving. Once secured, connect the positive red terminal first and tighten, then attach the negative black terminal. This prevents accidental shorts. After that, apply a terminal protector to slow corrosion. Turn the key and start the engine. Confirm accessories, radio presets, and systems like VSA and door sensors function. If a warning light stays on, make sure terminals are tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.